Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Here.
Stop, Juan. You're going to burn yourself.
Is it too hot?
No.
It's too hot.
No.
And you're not supposed to put it that thick.
Why? Oh, are you kidding me?
She's like, Mom, this is disgusting.
What is that?
Look, I have tiny little hairs right there.
Yummy.
How long do you leave it on for? Ew!
Watch, Mom, watch her face as she puts the spoon in her mouth. Ugh.
Not like prunes, huh?
I keep missing her face because her freaking hand is in the way.
The homemade ones are better. They're sweeter.
I know, I'm just scared that I'll leave too many chunks and she'll gag and I'll...
Don't ask Nana how to make them.
No.
She's not happy.
You haven't blender.
I know. Nom, 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 nom. Is it good? Is it good?
Mom, get those away from me.
Yeah, it's
That's
good.
right, you spit them out, Maddie.
She'll get used to them.
How long do you want the video?
I don't know.
Did you
I'll tell
video
you
her
when.
eating cereal?
Yeah, and prunes.
What? They're not on Facebook.
Do you know how long? You can't put videos on Facebook. It's
Oh,
ridiculous.
Robin, you can do it.
No, it takes like 5 hours, and then it doesn't work.
You guys are totally videoing and arguing.
Oh, well.
There, she's starting to get.
It's supposed
Used
to
to
be
them.
about the kid and they're arguing.
Is it yummy? Is it good? Nom nom nom. Yeah.
That's right, spit them out, Maddie.
You gotta get this off, right? Look. You need a strip.
What?
Oh, I thought you
That
just
one
cut
is
it off. That's probably why.
Okay, you can stop.
You have a tiny